Hello everyone, it's Alissa from Photobox Designs. I'm here to show you a quick tutorial on how to use a clipping mask in two of our new templates for the holidays, for the Christmas holidays. This template, let me take a quick look and show you around. This is the Santa hand, and you'll see that this template includes a Happy Holidays text. It is not editable, but you can, you can click on the text and you can move it. And I keep moving the background, but you can click on the text, press Command T, you can move your text around, you can make it smaller, you can make it larger, you can also shut it off and just write whatever you would like, wherever you would like it. So you also are being given two lights overlays. You've got the top Christmas lights and the ones around the photo frame, and those lights are you can turn them off and on, so it's a very customizable template. And you have a clipping mask and a background layer. The second template is this template. I already have some pictures installed in it. Again, very similar, just instead of a Santa hand, you have a much larger frame. And you have a clipping mask, you have a background layer, you have lights that can be turned on and off, and you have your Happy Holidays saying, again, not editable. The reason I did not make the text editable is because we don't have to worry about you finding the exact same font. So you can always replace this font with your own by typing it in and turning mine off. So let me show you how. You can see right now I already have clipped into this template a box photo. So it's perfect because it's a square. Both of them are squares. Very easy for you to take one box photo or an already completed square box composite and just pop it in. No need to make yourself a new box composite. So it's a great upgrade for your clients and very easy for you to create. Or you can put in just a general photograph. This was a holiday photograph from my family from a couple of years ago. Let me show you quickly how to use the clipping mask. I'm going to go back to this one. I'm going to go onto the layer that says clipping mask, go to File, Place Embedded, pick a photo. I'm going to move it, press OK, right click on it, create clipping mask, and voila. Now I can just move it into the place that I like. I can also grab this little end here and make it smaller or larger. It's really up to you on how you want to use a clipping mask. So that's pretty much it. Very simple, very, very simple to use. Great upsell for your clients at the end of a photo shoot session. And it is a 5x7, but the resolution, even though the image size is a 5x7, it's really more like a 12x16. So if you wanted to make this larger, it's easy to do, but you can, it would fit very nicely in a 5x7, fit very nicely and be printed as a 5x7 holiday card. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Any questions, please reach out to us at Photobox Designs. Thanks.